Hello everyone, this is Carlos. Alright, so we have a big confusion here with the iOS 13 GM or the iOS 13.1 beta 3. So in order to clarify this confusion, I have researched and I found out this. So in order you to have the iOS 13 GM installed in your device, you will have to be either on iOS 12.4.1 or older and just download from the Apple beta website the GM version. That way you don't have to do any downgrade. This is the same version that the new iPhones will come on September 20th. Now, if you are already in iOS 13 beta 1, beta 2 or beta 3, then you will have to downgrade to iOS 13 GM version. Apple it's giving us the option to still have the beta 3 because Apple will release the iOS 13 beta 1 on September 30th. So if you want to keep that route, then you can continue having the iOS 13 beta 2 or 3, right? The issue or the problem that I'm seeing right now is that what will happen with your Apple Watch. The latest version of the Apple Watch that we have in the betas is, I think, iOS beta 6. I can't remember, but the thing is that I'm confusing that if you go and upgrade your iPhone to iOS 13 beta 3 right now, what will happen the day that the new iPhones 11 will come? You will be able to install the latest version of the Apple Watch on that day, or you have to wait until September 30th. That's the confusion here. So my recommendation is to have is to be on iOS 13 GM as of now. So in that moment per se, you are up to date with Apple. That is the version that the new iPhones 11 will come. So that way you will be, let's say, out of the betas. After that, once that you tested iOS 13 and if you figure out that there's still some bugs, because this is the version that Apple ship out to I guess Foxconn in order to be installed in all the devices, then you can think about again downloading the iOS 13 beta profile and then go for the latest beta, in this case beta 3. So regardless of which option you choose, the first recommendation is to do a backup of your device as of now. If you have iOS 13 iOS 13.1 beta 3, then the recommendation here is to do a backup, and then once that you do the backup, go to the folder where the backups are being saved in your computer, and then you can edit an XML file where you can edit the version of the backup from 13.1. You can just change it to 13.0. In that case, you will be able to do the downgrade. Do the backup, update the XML file in the backup folder, and then after that you can downgrade to iOS 13 GM, which is per se the most stable version of the GM. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you have any comment, just let me know in the comment section, and click thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.